Ever wonder how fast a sneeze is? Let's just say you don't want to be in its way. A sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah running at full speed. And get this, it can launch 100,000 tiny droplets into the air, reaching up to 26 feet. That's why covering your mouth is so important. A tissue or your elbow helps stop those germs from going everywhere. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, cover up, because nobody wants a sneeze tsunami. Do not forget to support our channel by simply liking and subscribing to Watch TV.